Today I'd like to introduce to you the series of triple tooth thread mills. This series is very comprehensive, with different lengths and coatings, and it applies to various scenarios. Today I'll introduce them one by one.
First, let's look at these two tools. They have the same coating and are suitable for machining steel, including stainless steel, alloy steel, and other materials. Their versatility is excellent. The two tools differ in their clearance length. The one in front is a 2-diameter length tool. For example, if this thread mill is M6, it can machine threads up to 12 millimeters deep. The other tool is a 3-diameter length tool. 3-diameter length means 3 times 6, which is 18 millimeters deep. If the thread depth is within 12 millimeters, it is recommended to use the 2-diameter length tool because it has better rigidity. The 3-diameter length tool is suitable for deeper threads. However, if the thread is shallow, it is not recommended to use the 3-diameter length tool because the longer the clearance, the worse the rigidity, which can easily lead to tool collisions. At the same time, the tool life and performance of the 3-diameter length tool are not as good as those of the 2-diameter length tool. So, choose the right tool based on your needs. Next, let's look at these two tools behind. They have a golden coating and are suitable for machining high-temperature alloys. We conducted a comparative experiment, using this golden-coated thread mill to machine titanium alloys compared to black-coated tools. The tool life may increase by nearly double. Therefore, when machining high-temperature alloys, using golden-coated tools yields better results. For example, materials like GH4000, 169, and 718. This tool also comes in 2-diameter length and 3-diameter length options, meeting different application scenarios. As mentioned earlier, if a shorter clearance tool can be used, always opt for the shorter one. This ensures better rigidity. Next, we have this colorful DLC-coated tool designed primarily for aluminum machining. This coating is less likely to cause material adhesion, and when machining aluminum, the surface finish is excellent. Actually, the black-coated tools mentioned earlier can also machine aluminum, offering great versatility. But if all the work involves aluminum, it is recommended to choose this colorful coated tool. Finally, we have these two extended length tools. One has a total length of 75 millimeters, and the other has a total length of 100 millimeters. Similarly, extended thread mills come in many types, targeting different application scenarios. For example, some threads are deeper, and the existing clearance length cannot meet the requirements. If 18 millimeters is not enough, we can offer free regrinding of the clearance length to meet special needs. In summary, this triple tooth thread mill is very suitable for materials like stainless steel and titanium alloys. If you're interested, feel free to contact the SDF Tools thread mill team.
/workshop costs. Amplified dealer margins powers your chain.